Welcome everyone to today's video of Tech It Simple. Hey there, it's our professionals, and we're looking for the video on how to log into the SPY website. Just watch this complete tutorial video in order to get logged into the website. First, you need to go to Google Chrome and search for SPY SR Login. Click on the link where it says Login at the first link. You can see it says Login, so click on this SPY SR, and you will be redirected to the login page of SPY Senior. As you can see, at the right-hand side, there is a login form. The company field is already filled in as default login. In the username field, you have to type your username. I'll put it as temp user. Then, you need to fill in your account password. If you have forgotten it, you can click on the Forgot Password button. Otherwise, just click on Login. If all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged into this SPY SR website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.